It's gonna be little things flying everywhere.
Of course it is.
Stuck in the ceiling.
Go on. Crack a cracker open.
I'm not doing one by myself.
Cracker Jack.
You'll do one with him, won't you?
Definitely not.
Look at you two.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
I can't. Well, go on, I'll do one.
This is going to be awful. I'm definitely up for the challenge.
They do look quite tasty.
Are we going to have a race?
Breaking in. Oh, they have got little bits of cheese on the top.
Yeah. Special. Oh, you can't start.
I'm not starting.
Don't. You tasted it.
You started.
There you go, my friend.
That's a load of crumbs.
Hold on.
You can't start. You can't get it wet either.
What are the rules?
The rules are you've got to start together and you're not allowed to dip it in any other fluids and you're not allowed to drop any crumbs. The winner is the first to the bridge and back because we're racing for pink slips. Ownership papers.
Alright.
Are you ready?
Where did it come from?
Grace,
Ready?
go. Oh, bro.
Oh. We've got another one.
No, stop.
Oh.
That is so wrong.
Not that bad. Oi, what are you doing?
Oh,
They're really cheesy. They're quite soft though. They're not really crackers.
They are nice.
Another one?
I think a Rivita challenge would be better.
I ain't doing a Rivita.
Or what about a marshmallow?
I challenge you.
Marshmallows aren't opened.
They're not open.
No.
Nor with the crackers. Oh, no, they're going everywhere. I reckon we should all stuff our faces full of marshmallows and see how we get on. Not just one.
I think the cracker challenge is better.
So you look at like that. Have I got any... Well, you might as well
Go look at the other two.
Have I got any cracker? Is there any left?
No, it's,
Go on, do
it's
two.
all gone.
Do two.
Hold on. I'll scrape it off with my... Look.